Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm NFX and today we're at Goodwood Kartways for our very first race of the season. Today you're going to be joining me and watching me do our exhibition match, which funny enough is the first race of the year, but also the race with no points for any of the results you do. But just a good day to get some practice in and have lots of fun. So the green flags are out. Starting P1 into corner number 4, I go super wide and onto the dirt. I signal my friend to kind of get ahead of me, but I lose all of my traction, giving P3 and P2 my position. Going into turn number 6, I push P2 and give them a little bit of a nudge to go ahead. And coming around the last corner of the first lap of the season, going wheel to wheel with P2. Notice that they have such a better exit down the straight, giving them that much of an advantage, and then slotting in right behind them. Turn 4, I don't know what it is about turn 4, but I've had some really great corners during this race in turn 4 and some really bad corners in this race. Diving deep on the inside, taking a little bit of contact on the left outside and then on the inside curb there. Let them go forward so I can do the switchback. Trying to get ahead at this point. Currently able to make P2, and I'm getting a little bit of a bump behind from I think it was the back right corner of the cart. And with only 2 laps in, it's been completely chaotic, and I want to say that's the end of it, but there's a lot more coming in the next few laps. But wow, what a great way to open the season. I know this is an exhibition match, so there's not any points up for grab. However, the level of racing was just so high from the veterans that were here to race for fun, but also the rookies that came on, and this is their first race racing. So it was great. It was such a beautiful day to be back after so long and get back on track. So I'm glad that I could record videos. And also, I got a brand new camera, which is great. I got a GoPro 12 Pro, and a Pro, is that what they call it? I don't really remember, but for anyone that wants to know, now you know. I have a GoPro, and before I was actually using a GoPro 9, so I did a little bit of an upgrade over the winter break. Here I'm picking up so much speed into turn number 4, turn 5, and I actually get the run into turn number 6 here. They slide a little, and I give them a little bit of a nudge, not purposely, but oddly. But down the main straight here, I get a little bit of advantage. I'm trying to push the cart to its max here. Down the straight, first corner, looking over her shoulder. She knows I'm around. I'm not too far away. I decide to hang it behind her and wait for her to make a move. She falls out and just dips her tires into the dirt, but was actually, funny enough, able to make it on track. I thought that was gonna be the end of her, but she does an amazing recovery run after the fact, and that essentially pushed me into P1, which now for a couple laps here I am leading and whatnot. But oh my gosh, this race had so much turnover and movement in the race. So what a great way to open the season for myself. I had so much fun. I think, like, although I know that there wasn't really any points involved, but just being able to compete just made things so much more fun. I go a little bit wide. Wow, the dirt really affects how much tire grip you have, and you can see she's back. She was able to cut back and take advantage of my very dusty tires. See some movement on the outside. I hold it out on the inside there, luckily able to get ahead. I'm getting a little bit of a nudge going a wide line, but I look to my left and my buddy is about to pass me. Goes through the inside. I decided to hold it behind him, give him a little bit of nudge where needed so we can go chase down P1 together. But yeah, started P1, went down to P2, P3, back to P2, back to P1, and now back down to P3. It's just so much movement, and between the top 3 of us, we had so much fun. Like, coming out of our carts after, we were like, wow, we can't wait for what the rest of the season kind of looks like, especially if there's points involved. So if there's no points involved now, we're racing like this, like, I can only imagine. But starting our 8th lap, you can see I'm getting a little bit of a run on my buddy ahead. He goes a little wide here. I try to go a little bit tighter on the inside curb there. Give him a little bit of a nudge, letting him know I'm right behind him. So for the rest of the race, there's not much to be had. I try my best to tow/bump my buddy to try to get ahead and make some moves into P1 as the white flags go down and we're into our very last lap of the race. My buddy is catching onto P1. I'm gonna see where I can help him here. Don't think there's an opportunity to make too much of a dive bomb. I give him a little bit of a nudge, probably a little harder than I should have, to kind of push him ahead down into corner number 6. I do it again to see if he can make a move. Now going into the 2 last corners here, there's not enough road to keep racing as the checkered flag comes out and all 3 of us hold position. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.